the most important question of statistics. Let us see the question. The mean weight of 150 student in a certain class is 60 kg. The mean weight of boys in the class is 70 kg and that of the girl is 55. So what is the number of boys in the class? For this type of question, simple technique is what we have to find number of boys. So total number strength is 150 and mean is 60. So 150 into 60, total weight of 150 student. Okay, and now number of boys is x, so x into the mean weight of boys class is 70, so this is 70. Now number of girls will be how much? Total minus number of boys, and the girls mean weight is what? That is 55. Now we can solve directly. This is what? 15 6 are 90. So this is 20. And here this is x. So take x. This is 70x and plus 150 into 5. So 15 5 just 75 and 15 5 just 75 and 7 what? 82. So 8250 minus 55x. Okay. So now you can see this is 9000 minus 8250 and 70x minus 55. So this is 0, 10 minus 5, 5. This is 9 minus 2, 7. And here what? 70x minus 50x is what? 10 minus 5, 5. And this is 6 minus 5, 1. And this equal to what? That is x. So 15 5 ja 75. So x equal to what? 50. So our correct answer is what? A option 50.